Hi, Todd from Kurloo here. In this video, I'm going to provide you an overview of the Sensors menu. To access the Sensors menu, click Sensors from the navigation bar on the left of the workspace. Here you will see all the sensors that have been allocated to your project. Sensors are allocated by the team at Kurloo Support when the project is started. On the left is a table showing all of your sensors with detailed information. The sensors can be sorted by any of the columns by clicking on the column heading. You can also use the search box to find a specific sensor. Clicking the column drop-down box allows you to choose which data is displayed. This is a user preference and will be remembered each time you log in. Clicking the Actions button allows you to export data, which we will go through later in this video. Looking at the individual sensors from the left, you can see the sensor name, the time since the last reading was received. This is for all data, including GNSS measurement, battery, and environmental data that comes from the Kurloo device. Next you have the sensor status, which can be active, meaning that the sensor is active and a Kurloo device is attached. Awaiting config means that the sensor has been created and a Kurloo device needs to be attached. Ready means a Kurloo device is attached and is waiting for its first reading. Disabled means that the sensor has been disabled. Next you will see the attached Kurloo device serial number. You will see the battery percentage of the unit. This is an average figure from the previous 24-hour period. The custom rotation angle, if set. The RSRP and SNR values. These are used for communication indicators. And finally, your sensor description. At the bottom of the table, there are some controls to change the amount of rows you want to view and page navigation tools. On the right, you will see the map, and this acts almost identically to the map on the site overview page. You can see your custom aerial image and control its transparency, navigate with your mouse or the zoom buttons. A legend is displayed at the bottom left. You can expand the map on the top left, or go full screen by clicking the button on the top right. Clicking on the sensors icon will open a box that you can then click on to go directly to the sensor detail page. Going back to the exporting data function, click Actions and Export Data. Select which sensor information you want to download. Select the format that you would like the data in, default or T4D. T4D has been designed and configured for easy input into T4D. The data type. Watch our video on the sensor detail page for more information on data types. The date range, and the date that you would like the data reference back to. Then just click download and the CSV file will be downloaded to your device. Going to the top of the page, you can see the Sensors Group tab. In this menu, you can create and review sensor groups. The table is simple with the sensor group name, the included sensors, and those with the admin permission will have the ability to edit or delete the group. To create a new group, click the New Sensor Group button. Enter the group name, select the sensors you want included. Like the Sensors menu, you can use the search box to find sensor groups, change which columns you would like to view, change the rows per page, and navigate the pages. The map operates the same way as the map in the Sensors menu page.